How do you use Zoom? How do you log on to Zoom? Check your email or WhatsApp. You will see a link to your Zoom class. Click the link. Zoom will open automatically. If Zoom doesn't open, go to zoom.us/join. Type in the meeting ID. Click Join. How do you change your name? Right-click near your name. Click Rename. Type your name. Now everyone can see your name. What is the chat box? You can write messages. Look at the bottom of your screen. Click Chat. You will now see this chat box. You can type messages here. HELLO. Hello. Click the send icon. You can write to everyone, or you can write to just one person. Hello, everyone. Hi, Cow. You're on mute. Please unmute yourself. To Cow. You can reply. Click the speech bubble icon. Hello. How are you? You can use emoji. Click the face icon. Hello. How are you? Happy face with star eyes. I'm cold. Snowman. Your teacher will share things in the chat box. Here is today's worksheet. Click the link. The worksheet will download to your computer or phone. You can use chat box like this. What are breakout rooms? The main session is everyone in your class. A breakout room is a small group of people. Your teacher will put you in breakout rooms. Join breakout room. Wendy teacher is inviting you to join room 1. Not now. Join. Click Join. When you are finished, you can come back to the main session. When you are in the breakout room, you can use the chat box. You can change who sees your message. When you are in the breakout room, you can show your group a worksheet or something you are looking at on your computer. Click Share. Choose what you want to show your group. Click the thing you want to show everyone. Then click Share. Now your group can see it too. This is what I shared. If you want to leave the breakout room, click Leave. Leave breakout room. Help! If you can't hear anyone, check your audio. If you are on mute, we can't hear you. You are on mute. You are not on mute. If no one can hear you, turn off mute. Sorry, I was on mute. If your internet is too slow, try turning off your video. We can see you. We can't see you. If you still have problems, end Zoom and start it again. You can log on to Zoom before class to practice using it. You can practice with just one person. Don't worry if you're not good at using Zoom. Just have fun. See you in our Zoom classes.